Lesson 72, Area Part 1. Area is the amount of surface that a shape takes up. You find area by multiplying length times width. If I have a rectangle, this space in here would illustrate the area. If one side was 3 centimeters and the other side was 5 centimeters, to find the area, or the yellow space, I would do 3 times 5, which is 15. So the area here is 15 centimeters. And when we're doing area, we do centimeters squared or square centimeters because it's 2 dimensions. In a classroom, the floor was the shape of a rectangle and was covered with 1 square foot tiles. The room was 30 tiles long and 25 tiles wide. What was the area of the floor? So here you do area equals length times width. So 25 times 30. So 750 square tiles, or 750 tiles squared. Use a formula to estimate the area of a room that is 14 feet 3 inches long and 12 feet 8 inches wide. When finding the area of the room, what type of unit will be used to find the answer? First thing I need to do, change this entirely into inches. So I'll start with the 12. 12 times 12 gives us 144. Then I add on the 8 inches there. So 152 inches. Then I'll do the same with the 14. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 0, 4, 1. 168, and then add on those 3 inches. $171 inches. So now you do 152 times 171. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. 1, 0, 4, 6. 3 times 1 times 7. 10. Add 2 zeros now that I'm onto the 1 here. Add them all up. There I have my inches. 25,992 inches. Maggie has a display case for a model car. The case is 30 centimeters long, 10 centimeters wide, and 14 centimeters high. Maggie wants to paint the ends of the case. Choose a formula and use it to determine the area of the ends she wants to paint. So she wants to paint the ends of the case. That means I need to look at this area would be an end, and this area would be an end. So 10 times 14 is 140, but that times 2, because you have one end and the other end, gives me 280 centimeters squared. So that would be the area for letter A. Letter B, Maggie also wants to glue a ribbon border around the top of the case. The ribbon is purchased in millimeters. Choose a formula and use it to determine the least length of ribbon she will need. So I have 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So 2 times 10 plus 2 times 14 would give it to me. $48. So 480 millimeters. This is what the lesson practice looks like.